I'm standing here with a swarm of bees behind me. You found $1 on the ground? Oh, wow. It's a swarm of bees.
There's one queen here somewhere. And
Oh my God.
These bees will not sting you because they're in swarming mode. They're not trying to protect anything. But it looks like they're like landing up there or over there in that branch over there.
I think I could hear the sound from my porch.
Yeah.
Because I heard this weird hum, and then I saw you standing here.
We caught a swarm yesterday, so this is a really big swarm. I'd like to catch it. I'm gonna go check my bees. I'm sure it looks like they're going down there. He's got to be here somewhere.
I'm not walking into that swarm. That's crazy.
The queen usually gets tired, so I don't expect her to really want to fly much further.
The swarm seems to be kind of like condensing.
If you see a mass, you should start forming a ball, a hanging ball of bees. That's what we're looking for.
Wow.
Oh, let's come this way a little bit more. Right there.
Oh my God. It is right there. Those bees are all forming a mass right there, like a giant clump of bees.
Yeah, that's the bee swarm. Do you know these people that live here?
No, I don't. The bees have all swarmed, and they are now grouped up in one giant mass. See that?
Nothing to protect. They have no honey. They
Oh.
don't have a house. They're not. They're just trying to you know, when you pull a bunch of kids down the road by the hand.
Where's theirs right here?
Right there.
The whole neighborhood is now out here to videotape these bees. These are the thing to see today, apparently. Oh no.
No.
My neighbor is preparing to collect the bees in this beekeeper's box. Everybody's videotaping on new iPhones.
Queen's in there somewhere.
Somewhere in the middle. So now we have to shake that off and get her to the bottom of this box.
Okay.
So we're gonna stand back while you do that?
They're not gonna get real angry, right? Because they're the queen.
They're gonna fly everywhere.
But they're not gonna be biting.
They're not gonna be stinging because they have no honey. It's stuck in the box later and you have to take it out. Isn't that fun? This is beekeeping 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a sip of that. She should be in that box somewhere. Alright, give me that top plate.
Top plate.
And that's where the bees are gonna form their hive. Oh wow.
killing bees, you'll. The lid, where's the lid? Set of fits.
Can I lift the branches for you, Daniel?
What's that?
Should I hold the branches up for you?
Okay, so the hole's in the north. I'm hoping that when I put it in the sun in the morning, they'll be in the south and they'll all go, hey, it's changed. They're not really going in though. If you look at them, they're kind of not really going in. But there's no cluster, so we must have the queen because they're not clustering on anything. So I think she's in there.
Oh, this tree has usnea on it.
Come on, girl.
This is just incredible.
Okay, so here's the doorway stick
So where did this swarm of bees come from?
from a live hive.
But not one of yours.
I don't think so.